How to disable YouTube notifications on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone Plus. Then tap Notifications. Now, find and tap YouTube from the list of apps. At the top, you'll see the Allow Notifications option. To completely disable YouTube notifications, turn Allow Notifications off. Once it's turned off, YouTube will no longer send notifications to your iPhone Plus. If you don't want to disable all YouTube notifications, you can leave this option turned on and customize where notifications appear. For example, you can turn off lock screen, notification center, or banners individually. You can also control which notifications YouTube sends from within the YouTube app. Open YouTube, tap your profile picture, select Settings, and then tap Notifications. Here, you can turn off any notifications you don't want to receive by simply switching off the corresponding options. And that's how you can disable YouTube notifications on your iPhone Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.